Oh, I left him in the car.
We walking inside Target. Oh, this one. Let's get up.
You don't want to play without you.
It's okay. Meet some friends. Meet some friends, Case. Yes. You got the Charlotte with you. I don't have to come.
A bad kid.
Go look, get in there. Have fun.
He said, uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Yeah, uh-oh. Behind you.
Casey, I'm about to play Connect. Okay? I'm about to play Connect, so I gotta get 4 on the road.
Uh-huh. Whoa.
Case.
Yes, yellow. Yellow.
Yellow.
That's the yellow one.
Yeah, put it where it goes.
Yeah, just like that.
Let's go. 1, 2.
Yellow.
Hold up.
I know.
You're on top of the world. Oh, heck you know.
Look at all the grass. We on top.
Guys, you wanna go this way? Kaylin.
Huh?
Kaylin, you think this
This is cool. Let's go across.
is wobbly?
Oh, no, it's not. This only this show. You gotta move. I gotta move. She coming through.
It's wobbly.
This one's wobbly. That one's not that wobbly. We face our fears over here. This go across here to the rooms. This to another birthday party.
See this
Look,
is.
Case doing it. Go
Hold
ahead.
my hand.
Come on.
What the heck? Ollie.
Yeah, this to another room. This to the other side.
Don't you have to go this way? What the heck? What the heck? You can also
Come on.
you can go across there and then you can be over there.
This place is really cute. This is really
Let's go,
cute.
let's go. He like, what the heck? Get out of here, guys.
Come on. We going back across? Let's go back across.
Zoom. Go zoom in. This way.
Destructive. I always thought it was others destructive. Raphael, stand up.
Case, lay down in here.
Somebody's in trouble.
Case, lay down right here. Lay down, Case. Look at Case.
I know. Look at both of y'all in the tent.
Make a tour.
To the tent tour. Featuring Deshaun over there. And this is Case. Which is Case is right here watching Ninja Turtles. And just a whole tent setup. Nature evening walks and Case is on his balance bike and he going fast. Case, you going fast?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. So pretty in here, isn't it?
A car.
So pretty in here.
A car.
Yeah, it's a car.
Yeah.
It's a box opening time. This is all for Kate's birthday. First shipment. Here we go. And it's 19, 7, 15 right now. I got off work late because two boys that I was in my class, their parents picked up really late, like at 16, and I went to the grocery store, and sadly my weight card declined, so didn't get any groceries, but it's all good though. We staying positive. I don't need that, but box opening time. Here we go. See, let's open this box. For one, got all this paper. Oh, this is the traffic cone flags. Okay, so this is my traffic cones and flags because we're doing a race. That was just in one box, and then the next box. Let's open. See you guys up. Sorry guys. Okay, so this is what was in that box. So these are the balloons, second birthday, headband, too fast. I think these is like little centerpieces things. This is the cake topper. This is the like thing that go around the number 2 balloons, flags, the stand. This is how you do the balloon garland. Then I got the letters. Came with a pen, so I can write on that one. And then this is like the backdrop. So yeah. Yes, case, and my new book came in too. So in this package right here. So how to slay, doubt, boss up, and succeed on your own terms. Here is my homeboy.
Mommy!
I cannot wait to read this one.
Mommy!
Yes, case. Everything's always working out for me. And we're at UPS, period. Got my receipt. Just seen 65.65. More prosperity friend is going into Starbucks to go to potty. I say potty, but bathroom. Let's see who walks in. Look at Starbucks Justin. Happy Sunday, Kaylin Creative. It is Sunday, and my intentions for this week is set on letting go, releasing all the old to bring in the new, because I am so sick and tired of being sick and tired, stressing. Like my face is like literally breaking out from all the stress that I've been putting on myself. And probably I've been eating a lot of dairy and ice cream lately too, so that probably got a lot to do with it too. Not a little bit, but a lot to do with it too. So, but I know I've been stressing. So my intentions for this week is to just let go. I need to let go and release whatever that does not serve me. It just needs to go. Get out of here. It needs to go. So that is the focus. My room looking a mess right now because I'm trying to get things together that needs to just go, because that is what my focus on this week is going to be. It's just go. Leave my sight, leave my presence, because you have no access here anymore, and I do not want you here anymore. So you need to just leave. Things needs to go. So yeah, trying to figure out like all the little things that I need to put my things into, new things that I can bring into my life that I can, have a space for. But whatever I don't have a space for, it needs to really needs to go. So yeah, that's what I've been trying to figure out right now. My son's over there watching YouTube. You see my little space over here, my corner. That's so cute. So yeah, I wanna romanticize this section over here also. So that's gonna be another task for me for this week, letting things go and like romanticizing my life. That is the goal for this week, and we're gonna get on and do it. Period. So yeah, but my room is looking a hot mess right now because I'm doing some releasing. So yeah guys, that's about it. I'll see you guys later.